her vocals is magnificent. Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be going to France today, and I do hope all the people who are in France accept me in their country. So I'm a distant traveler. I'm traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to witness and to experience different variation of artists, right? Because I'm not sure if any of these artists get any airplay in Jamaica. So today I'm here for this person, Louane, and I'll be reacting to Maman, right? So it's my first time hearing of Louane, and it's my first time reacting to Maman. And you know, this competition that is been going on, the Eurovision competition, there are a lot of talented people participating here. So I don't see the talent in Louane at this point. Okay, so with this being said, let's hear what Louane have in store for us. Peace. Wow, I love the marching out. Love the bands too. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be good. You know, I love the uniqueness of everything here. So let's continue. Hey, wonderful music. Like, very good stance by the people. Wow. Whoa. France is doing well at this point. France is doing well. I love the entry, bro. I love the entry. No, this is a very beautiful thing. I never experienced this in any of the songs that I've reacted to in this competition, bro. So France stands out differently from the rest. Very good, France. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Welcome.
Y a plus d'amant, y a plus de lit.
Wow. Damn. Wow. This is a very peaceful voice. I love it. I love it. I love it so far. I love it so far. She's sounding like a beautiful sun setting in the evening. Very golden. Very, very golden.
Finalement, tu vois, j'ai construit ma vie. Et le vide est grand, les questions aussi.
Wow. Okay, so her dress is gorgeous. Yo, I do love this, bro. I do love this. Her voice is making me comfortable. Wow, this is giving me so much nostalgia feeling.
Toi, tu vas comment? Est-ce que tu vois tout ici? Et j'ai bien changé, j'ai bien.
Oh my goodness. Got him, got him, got him. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, this is the music I want to hear from the evening, bro. Trust me.
Grandi, de toi j'ai gardé tout ce qui fait qui je suis. Je vais mieux, je sais où.
Oh. Oh. Damn, bro. Her voice is magical. Yo, I never heard such a wonderful voice coming from the front side before, to be honest. To be frank with y'all, never. This is my first experience. And what I'm experiencing now, it's a golden feeling coming from this woman.
Où je vais, j'ai arrêté de compter les années. Et si j'ai voulu.
Wow. Enchanting voice. You know, enchanting female as well. And to see people like this expressing themselves in music, it's always a boner for me. I do love to see people with a phase of expression in their music of what they're going through. right? Music, it's essential. It's life, bro. And if you can sing to the people so the people could feel alive, then why not sing for the people? This is what she's doing now. She's singing for the people.
Arrêtez le temps. Maintenant c'est moi qu'elle appelle maman.
She's 1 in a billion with such sweet relaxation of her voice. This is the type of woman people want to listen to on a daily basis based on how people are going through their daily life now that need a comfort in music. Then she's a perfect package for that, bro. Trust me. Oh my god! Stupendous! Damn. This is leading me to meditate. This is leading me to meditate. Like, yo, gorgeousness.
Trouver l'amour indélébile. Tu sais le vrai toujours, même quand le temps file.
And I ain't gonna lie, her characteristics is amazing, right? The way all people looks at her as the representative of the country in the musical realm, she's a perfect fit for that criteria, right? Based on her professionalism in this competition, bro, she's a natural born superstar. Trust me. Trust me.
Quand il me tient la main, j'ai plus peur de rien. Et ça me fait comme avant, quand toi tu me tenais la main.
Her music is a magical music based on the piano playing, you know, the softness of her voice, the soft tone vocals. It's a touch of a beautification, bro. Trust me. This woman can literally give you the time of day or the time of night, whichever you like it. So music is very good. Essentially speaking,
Je vais mieux, je sais où je vais. J'ai arrêté de compter les années. Et si j'ai voulu arrêter.
oh, okay. When we talk about love for music, you know, the passion for music, the way how you bring forth the music, right? The way how you construct your music, how the music is being sung, we have to include her. She's a complete package of this musical thing. All right? She's giving me the time of night, bro.
Le temps. Maintenant c'est moi qu'elle appelle maman. Maman.
France is definitely gonna reach somewhere like in the semifinals, maybe the finals, because this is a very well written song. Her vocals is magnificent. Got them, got them. Oh, terrific!
Je vais mieux, je sais où je vais.
Oh, that's magnificent! Yo, the lighting here. Amazing, bro. Very amazing. This amazes me a lot. Look at this, bro. I'm feeling relief. I'm feeling revived. Nice. Nice. Like, absolutely sweet.
J'ai arrêté de compter les années. Et si j'ai voulu arrêter le temps.
Well, when I speak about, a level that music is on, she's on a different level because of her displayed in her music.
Maintenant c'est moi qu'elle appelle. Maman, maman.
Oh my god, bro. Maman. What does maman mean in English? Because this is a French song, right? It's in France. Okay, so what does maman mean in English?
Maman, maman, maman. Si j'ai voulu.
I ain't gonna lie. This stage, everything here is totally neat. It's unique. Damn. Yo, this is what Nabilia is for first time experiencing something like this, bro. This is very good, very creative.
Arrêter le temps. Maintenant c'est moi qu'elle appelle. Maman.
Damn, she nailed it.
Merci beaucoup, thank you so much.
She nailed it, bro. She nailed it. You're welcome, mommy. You're welcome. You've done well. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican react. I'll see you guys in another video.